Imagine a phone that folds like a passport, a smartwatch that guides your trail runs, and a pair of smart glasses that literally translate the world around you in real time. Samsung just dropped a massive wave of brand new tech at their summer Unpacked event, and it is going to completely change how you use your devices. Let's break down everything you need to know about this massive launch. Starting off with the absolute powerhouse of the lineup, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. This is Samsung's new top-tier foldable phone, and it is packed with bleeding-edge technology. On the outside you get a beautiful 6.5-inch cover screen, but when you open it up, it transforms into an expansive 8-inch main display. Both screens give you a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The real magic though is in the cameras. You are getting a massive 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom. You can even record video in stunning 8K. It runs on a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, and incredibly, it's just 4.1 mm thin when unfolded. It uses a new expanded graphite cooling structure to keep everything running smoothly. All this premium tech starts at $2,099 in the US, or 199,999 rupees. Now, if you want something that feels totally different in your hands, you have to see the standard Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Samsung made a huge design shift here. Instead of the tall, narrow shape we are used to, they gave it a wide passport-style fold with a 4:3 aspect ratio on the inside. It has a 7.6-inch main display and a 5.5-inch cover screen that can get incredibly bright, peaking at 3000 nits. It is also remarkably light at just 201 grams, but still packs a bigger 4800 mAh battery than last year. For cameras, you get a 50-megapixel main and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with 8K video recording. This one starts at $1,899 in the US or 179,999 rupees. By the way, both of these foldables along with the flip model feature Samsung's new Flex titanium display technology. This actually adds a titanium alloy layer right under the screen to make it stronger, absorb impact and hide that display crease. If clamshell phones are more your style, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is the most affordable of the bunch, starting at $1,199 in the US, or 124,999 rupees in India. It gives you a 4.1-inch cover display and a gorgeous 6.9-inch inner screen. You get a 50-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. It keeps the 4300 mAh battery from last year, but it is super lightweight at just 180 grams, making it the lightest foldable of the three. Samsung also brought some serious upgrades to their wearables. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 gets a solid 20% battery boost over last year, keeping that brilliant 3000 nit display. It comes in 40mm and 44mm sizes, starting at $379 in the US, or 37,999 rupees for the Wi-Fi model. But if you want to go all out, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is an absolute beast. It boasts an insanely bright 5000 nit display, a massive 35% battery increase, and a titanium casing that is actually 12% thinner than the original. The Ultra 2 is priced at $699 in the US or 64,999 rupees. Both of these watches run on the new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip. This is huge because it has a dedicated processor just for running AI. This powers Samsung's new AI health assistant, giving you vitals monitoring, a heart health score, sleep apnea detection, and even trail running guidance and nutrition alerts on the Ultra 2. Now for the biggest surprise of the event, the Samsung Galaxy Glasses. Built in partnership with Google, Gentle Monster and Warby Parker, these are Samsung's first AI smart glasses. There is no screen on these. Instead, they use a built-in 12-megapixel camera and Google Gemini AI to help you purely through audio. Imagine getting real-time translations, navigation and notification summaries spoken right into your ear. You can even look at a whiteboard and save the visual information directly to Samsung Notes. They weigh just 50 grams and give you up to 9 hours of battery life. Pricing hasn't been announced for these yet, but availability will be in select markets. Finally, all these amazing hardware devices come with the new One UI 9 software built right on top of Android 17. You get awesome floating windows for any app and incredibly deep Gemini AI integration. Thanks to One UI 9, Gemini Intelligence can now act as an automation tool across 40 different apps. It can even understand the images and content on your screen to help you do things like order food or book tickets with zero hassle. Pre-orders for the foldables are already live, and general sales for everything except the glasses kick off on August 7, 2026. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay up to date on all the latest tech, please leave a like, share this video with a friend, and hit that subscribe button.